Laser head installation. First, make sure the laser head and surrounding area are clean. There should be no dust. Then dip a cotton swab in alcohol. Clean the laser head connector area. This prevents dust from entering the laser head. After the laser head is cleaned, check and clean the fiber optic head. Remove the protective cap from the fiber optic head. Clean it. After cleaning, check the protective lens. If it's not clean, wipe it with a cotton swab. There is a red dot on the side of the fiber optic head. There is also a red dot on the laser head connector area. Align the red dot on the fiber optic head with the red dot on the laser head. Then insert it. Make sure it is fully inserted, then lock it. There is a lock here. Pull up slightly, and lock it again. Now the laser head is installed. Then connect the water pipe to the laser head. Insert the water inlet pipe here. Then install this water pipe. After connecting the pipe, pull it slightly. The connection will be more secure. After installing the laser head, we need to check the upper protective lens. This area is called the amplifier. When removing the protective lens, the cable may obstruct removal. We need to temporarily unplug this fiber optic cable. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the locking screw. Remove the protective cover. Then you can take out the protective lens. After removing the protective lens, put the protective cover back on, to prevent dust from entering. Check the upper protective lens. If it is not clean, you need to use a lint-free swab, dipped in alcohol to wipe it. After cleaning, put it back. Finally, tighten the screw. Reconnect the amplifier's cable after the upper protective lens is installed. Laser head installation is complete.